Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Arctic Cat 400 carburetor is probably one of the most important components of your ATV's engine, responsible for mixing air and fuel to create the power you need. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Arctic Cat 400 carburetor, exploring its function, common issues, and how to keep it running smoothly, so you can get back to enjoying the trails. Number 5. Carbhub carburetor for Arctic Cat 400 2002 to 2003. Are you looking for a reliable carburetor replacement? This Carbhub carburetor is designed to replace the original part. It's a perfect fit for your Arctic Cat 400. This Carbhub carburetor directly replaces part number 0470-454. This ensures a seamless installation and optimal performance. It's built to meet or exceed OEM specifications. This carburetor is compatible with several Arctic Cat 400 models from 2002 and 2003. It fits 2x4, 4x4, and automatic versions. It's the ideal solution for your ATV. Specifically, it fits the 2002 Arctic Cat 400 2x4 EFI and 4x4 automatic models. This carburetor is designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. Get your ATV running smoothly again. It also fits the 2003 Arctic Cat 400 2x4 automatic, 4x4 ACT automatic, EFI, and MRP models. This product ensures your ATV operates at its best. It's a dependable choice for your vehicle. What we like. This carburetor is designed for a perfect fit, ensuring easy installation. It's built to meet the original specifications, guaranteeing reliable performance. If you're looking for a straightforward replacement that gets your ATV running smoothly, this is the one you should consider. What people say. This carb is an exact clone of the OEM part. Even the air adjustment was set correctly when I received it. It contained all of the small parts needed. Number 4. Arctic Cat ATV 400 carburetor replacement. Are you looking to enhance your ATV's performance? This carburetor is designed to meet or exceed OEM standards. It's a high-performance replacement part. This carburetor is specifically designed for 2005 to 2007 Arctic Cat ATV 400 cubic centimeters models. It fits automatic, manual, TBX, FIS, and TRV models. Make sure it is the right fit for your vehicle. This carburetor replaces OE part number 0470-537 and 0470-667. It is a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and function. It is a reliable solution for your ATV. Please note that professional installation is highly recommended. The package includes the carburetor assembly as pictured. Instructions are not included. CD Parts offers 24-hour service. If you have any questions or need assistance, they are there to help. Get the support you need. What we like. This carburetor meets or exceeds OEM standards, promising high performance. It comes as a complete assembly, making it convenient to install. If you value quality and want a reliable upgrade for your ATV, this is a great choice. What people say. The carburetor fit perfectly and the ATV started right up. The product was exactly what I needed and it worked great. Number 3. Arctic Cat ATV 400 500 Carburetor Kit. This carburetor kit is designed to fit your Arctic Cat ATV models. It's a direct replacement for several part numbers. This kit will help to get your ATV running smoothly again. The part number for this carburetor is 0470-449, and it also replaces 0470-433 and 0470-390. Make sure this matches your ATV's requirements. It's a reliable solution for your ATV's fuel system. This kit is compatible with various Arctic Cat 400 and 500 models from 2000 to 2003. Check the list to ensure it fits your specific ATV. It's designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. The outlet side outer diameter is 42 mm, and the inner diameter is 35 mm. The inlet side outer diameter is 55 mm, and the inner diameter is 52 mm. These measurements ensure optimal performance. The package includes a carburetor, air filter, spark plug, fuel filter, fuel lines, gas fuel tank petcock, and a carbon dirt jet cleaner tool kit. Everything you need is included. It ensures a complete solution for your ATV's fuel system. Each product undergoes strict factory inspection. If you encounter any issues after receiving it, please contact us. We are committed to resolving any problems to your satisfaction. This carburetor effectively solves problems like oil leakage and starting difficulties. It also addresses acceleration issues and black smoke from the exhaust. It's a reliable solution for optimal engine performance. What we like. This carburetor comes with an air filter, fuel valve, and other essential accessories. It's compatible with a range of Arctic Cat models, offering versatility. If you're experiencing oil leakage or starting problems, this kit is designed to solve those issues, making it a comprehensive solution. What people say. Installed in minutes. Very pleased. Fits perfect, good quality, works as should. It fit perfectly and the machine runs great. The only adjustment it needed was to turn the idle up a little bit. Very happy, the quad has never run this smoothly. Number 2. Carburetor for Arctic Cat 250,300,400,500 ATV quad. This carburetor is designed for Arctic Cat ATV models. It fits the 250, 300, 400, and 500 series. Make sure to check the year and model to ensure a proper fit. Specifically, it's compatible with the 250 from 1999 to 2001, the 300 from 1998 to 2000, and the 500 from 1998 to 1999. For the 400, it fits various 2x2 and 4x4 models from 1998 to 2001. This carburetor features a main jet of 180 and a pilot jet of 42. It's designed for optimal performance in your ATV. These specifications ensure the engine runs smoothly. The internal parts are pre-installed for your convenience. Direct installation is possible with minimal modifications. You might need to enlarge the threaded hole for the throttle cable. The filter outlet has an outer diameter of 50.8 mm, and the manifold outlet is 40.8 mm. The choke cable port is 12 mm. It includes all parts shown in the picture. The part numbers include 0470-348, 0470-352, 0470-362, and 0470-367. Please verify the part number before purchase. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. What we like. This carburetor fits multiple models, offering broad compatibility. It features pre-installed internal parts for easier setup. If you're looking for a carburetor that's easy to modify and install, this is a good option. What people say. This bolted right on and the quad fired up and ran great, only needing a slight adjustment to the idle speed screw. Everything else fit as it should. No adjustment needed at all, fired right up and idled perfectly, no dead spots through the RPM range. Easy to install, fit perfect. Did not have to do anything but drill out for throttle cable and adjust idle. Number 1. MOTOKU ATV Carburetor for Arctic Cat 350,366,400. Are you looking for a reliable carburetor for your ATV? This is a MOTOKU ATV carburetor, designed to fit Arctic Cat models. It's specifically designed for Arctic Cat 350, 366, and 400 ATV models. This carburetor ensures optimal performance. This carburetor is compatible with models from 2003 to 2017. It's a perfect fit for your ATV. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to last. This carburetor is a durable solution for your ATV's needs. Installation is straightforward, getting you back on the trails quickly. It's a great replacement part for your ATV. What we like. This carburetor is designed for a perfect fit, ensuring easy installation. It's built to meet the original specifications, guaranteeing reliable performance. If you're looking for a straightforward replacement that gets your ATV running smoothly, this is the one you should consider. What people say. Seems just as good quality as OEM, took me 10 minutes to remove and replace. Exact replacement carburetor. Soon as I swapped it out, my four-wheeler fired right up. Worked fine in my Arctic Cat 400, started quickly, no priming or anything needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.